that your door is always open and your path is free to walk. That makes me tend to leave my sleeping bag rolled up and stashed behind your couch. And it's knowing I'm not shackled by forgotten words and bonds of ink stains that are dried upon some line that keep me on the back roads and the rivers of my memory, that keep you ever gentle on my mind.
It's not clinging to the rocks and ivy painted on their columns now that binds me. Or something that somebody said because they thought we fit together walking. And it's knowing that the world will not be cursing or forgiving when they walk along some railroad track and find that you're moving on the back roads by the rivers of my memory, ever smiling, ever gentle on my mind.
Oh, the wheat fields and the clotheslines and the junkyards and the highways come between us. And some other woman's crying to her mother 'cause she turned and I was gone. And I'm not still running silence. Tears of joy might stain my face, and the summer sun might burn me till I'm blind. But now so that I cannot see you moving on the back roads, ever smiling, ever gentle on my heart.
And autumn leaves that make me draw inside myself in silence. Cross-legged now, I sit back and watch the endless leaves across my yard. And laying down my hairbrush, I lean back within my window seat and find that you're moving on the back roads by the rivers of my memory, ever smiling, ever gentle on my mind.
That cup cans and the tin can, I pretend to hold you to my breast and find that you're waving from the back roads and the rivers of my